Hello everyone, welcome to BXST. Today we will introduce the product WIP 201, which is a hot selling over and under voltage protector in the South American market. Its operating voltage is 220 volts and the delay time is 3 minutes. Now we test the product by powering up. Plug in the voltage test stand. You can see that there is no voltage output. Blink green indicates the delay state. When the green light flashes faster and faster, the delay is about to end. When the green light is on, the product is in normal off state. When the voltage is about 260 volts, the product enters the protector state. Product with light flashing, no voltage output. Next, simulate under voltage protection. When the voltage falls below 165 volts, the product enters the protector state. The red light is long and the product has no output. When normal voltage is restored, the product enters the delay state again. This product is mainly suitable for low-power household appliance protection, such as TV, air conditioner, and washing machine. Thank you for choosing our products and wish you a happy life.